Yeah. It's DJ Daddy Deezy and D3 Music standing together. Sad song coming from DJ Deezy, the daddy, DJ Daddy Deezy. Freestyle, always freestyle the beat too. Here we go. Let 'em know.
Got a sad song, sad inside, cause nobody knew about the nights I cried, cause I felt all alone, but it was all my fault, cause I never talked to no one I could talk to. What was I to do? I was just a little kid that couldn't really handle all of this grown shit. Man, this really wasn't me. I wasn't supposed to be there, and how could this happen to a G here? I was just a little kid, I didn't know what to do. All the pain that I felt, I was always feeling blue, but I never let nobody know how I felt inside. I made it with a smile, and that's all they saw. Man, that's all that they saw coming up from me. And when they saw all the laughter, but really I was crying. I don't really know why I didn't tell no one. I always felt that they was always the one. If I told someone, I would bring them to a problem. So I was a little kid, but I still was gonna solve it. How could I get rid of all this pain? Get rid of this heart that's driving me insane. What I do? I was a child, and I couldn't believe all the things and problems, the pain that came to me. What to do? I tried to solve it. There was just one thing. I didn't even know how to do this thing. There was just one option that I could decide. I was just a little boy, but I tried to take my life, cause I thought it would fix everybody's problems, cause they told me I was wrong, and I was gonna try to solve it. I was wrong, I messed up, I'm the one that always fucked up. I don't care, fuck the world, let them all go to hell. I don't care anymore, man, just leave it, close the door, leave me alone. I'm in my room, and this rap is coming soon. Deep inside my very life, I was a man, born to a child. Can't you see it's just too wild? Or was I a child, born to a man? Can't you see this head that was dealt to me? I'm fucking up now, G. But as a little child, the pain, it would kill me. But I'm grown now, and I know how to deal with this bull ass shit, cause I don't give a fuck. I'ma change my fucking name in rhyme, but I'ma rhyme all the time. But I still don't let nobody know how I feel inside. They may see me smile or laugh or cry, but none of these people know that I wanna die. Deep inside, it's too much. Can't you see I'm not that tough? I'm a lover, not a fighter, but I keep on struggling, striving. Can't you see I'm going on with my sad ass song? You have a bad day, man, I have a bad life. All this struggle, all this strife, all this shit that's deep inside, make it stop, make it go. Man, I really don't know more, want no more. Done this shit, man, I do not give a shit. When will it end? Be my friend, need a friend, over me. Need a friend or need a girl, somebody else in my world, just to tell, just to talk. Letting this shit maybe stop. I don't care, going on with my sad ass song. Gets worse and worse and worse. 5 minutes ain't long enough a verse, just to tell my whole life and how I died as a little kid. Deep inside, never did I smile. Always fucking cried, always deep inside. It's been like that my life, my whole fucking life now.
Yeah. DJ Daddy Deezy, D3 Music, ETC, sad song, freestyle beat, let 'em know.